During sudden cardiac arrest, every second is crucial and prompt defibrillation can be a life-saving intervention. Automated external defibrillators, AEDs, are invaluable devices that deliver an electric shock to restore the heart's normal rhythm. However, it's vital to remove all clothing, including bras, from the chest before attaching the AED pads. When a cardiac arrest occurs, time is of the essence. To optimize the effectiveness of the AED and increase the likelihood of a successful shock, it's crucial to achieve direct and uninterrupted contact between the AED electrodes and the patient's bare skin. Clothing, including bras, can create barriers that impede proper electrode contact. Bras contain metal components, such as underwires and clasps, which can interfere with electrical conduction and also disrupt the electrical flow from the AED pads. Even non-metallic components of clothing, such as fabric and moisture, can create resistance and reduce the efficiency of electric shock delivery. Correct pad placement is essential for the AED to accurately assess the heart's rhythm and deliver the appropriate shock. Removing clothing allows for accurate pad placement directly on the patient's chest. The AED pads have adhesive surfaces that need to adhere firmly to the skin to ensure constant contact throughout the resuscitation process. By eliminating clothing barriers, rescuers can adhere the pads securely and avoid any potential interference that might impede the AED's analysis or shock delivery. In addition to optimizing the AED performance, removing clothing, including bras, also helps protect the rescuer. During a cardiac arrest event, rescuers are often in a high-stress situation and time is of the essence. By removing clothing, rescuers can quickly and effectively apply the pads without the added complexity of moving around clothing articles. Furthermore, removing bras eliminates the risk of medical components encountering the rescuer's hand or inadvertently touching the AED pads. This precaution is crucial as it minimizes the potential for electrical shock or interference, ensuring the rescuer's safety while performing life-saving measures.